Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Knifechief, an orthopedic surgeon for 10 years. As an advisory board member for Disc Centers of America, I'm excited about the changes that technology is bringing to the back and spine industry. There are now non-invasive solutions for disc problems, shoulder problems, knee problems, and yes, even neuropathy. Let Disc Centers of America help you avoid these unnecessary procedures and surgeries. I would tell you to find the nearest Disc Center of America clinic and find out the non-surgical solution for your pain. Modern technology now allows us to treat pain without drugs. We utilize research from doctors at the Mayo Clinic, Harvard University, and Johns Hopkins. We utilize the most updated technology to get you pain-free and get your life back. I'm Dr. Sarah Knifechief, orthopedic surgeon, saying I think it's time America stays away from the knife and takes a non-invasive approach, first and foremost. Pick up the phone and call for a consultation. Let us help you get your life back.